To create engaging YouTube videos, you used to have to write an engaging script, record the video, edit the video. This process could take hours. Now, thanks to AI, you can create entire videos from blogs, and I will show you how, if you stay until the end. Step 1, let's find a niche and blog. Head over to ChatGPT. Then type and enter this prompt. Wait for ChatGPT to respond to your prompt. Carefully browse through the information provided by ChatGPT. Now let's choose this niche. Highlight to copy it. Now, let's go to Google. Paste what we copied from ChatGPT. Now click the News tab to view more relevant articles. Let's choose this first article. Give it a quick scan to make sure it fits our interest. Step 2, let's create the video. Now let's copy the URL link of this website. Then head over to pictory.ai. Go to the upper right corner to access by a free trial. We will be using this article to video feature. Paste here the website URL link that we copied earlier. Then click the Proceed button under. Wait for the key message from the article to be extracted. Once it's done, make sure to check AI-powered summary for any errors. Then click the Next button at the upper right corner to proceed to the next step. Step 3, let's enhance the video. Hover over the scene that you want the visual to be changed. To do that, simply click the visual button on the left side of the screen. And type any keyword that best describes the visual you want to replace with. How about this one? Let's use it. You can also add a background music. Simply click the audio button under the visual button. There are lots of tracks to choose from. Let's try this one. This sounds good. Let's use this by clicking the Apply button beside the track name. You can also add a voiceover. Simply click the tab beside the background music tab. Choose from the Premium Voices selection or from the standard voices. Let's hear this one.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
This sounds perfect. Let's use this by clicking the Apply button beside the voiceover name. Step 4, let's finish the video. We can also add transitions to our video. Simply click this icon in between scenes. And click Change Transition. Let's use this fade transition by clicking on it. Then click the Apply to Entire Video button. Let's review the video Pictory.ai generated for us. Simply click the Preview button at the upper right corner beside the Download button. Enjoy watching the preview.
Mobility exercises for longevity. In an era where wellness culture is constantly evolving, there's always a new trend promising a path to optimal well-being. And as we enter the new year, it's the perfect time to upgrade your self-care and workout routine to one that not only matches your lifestyle but fits seamlessly into your new year, new me vibe. 1. Going deeper. In a recent report by Pinterest, Big Talk will be the latest way to form deeper connections with friends, lovers, and family. These workouts focus on improving the ability of your body to move freely through dynamic stretches, controlled movements, and joint articulations. 3. Social sports. 4. Kicking into action. When it comes to staying active in 2024, the boxing ring may be what you're looking for. 5. Bungee workouts. 6. Digital detox and slow living. 7. Power Pilates.
Now, for the next steps, be sure to subscribe and hit the notify button so you don't miss my upcoming content. Take a moment to drop me a comment, tell me how I am doing, and let me know any content you want to see. Your comments allow YouTube to push my videos to others with similar taste. Check out our other videos on using AI to make money online using faceless videos. Until next time, bye-bye.